welcome to my channel. So I'm really excited. Tomorrow it will be the stall and I would like to share with you all my projects and all the preparation that I usually do one day before. So let's start with my favorite part, and actually something that I just bought recently, which is a kind of pink elastic cover for the table. The cover of the table of the last year was awful, so finally I bought this elastic cover in pink, which is my favorite, and I can't wait to try it, to be honest. So let's see tomorrow how it goes, and I will share pictures and videos at the end of this video. So the other part that is my favorite, to be honest, haven't helped me too much, is this kind of little boxes that I bought it on AliExpress, which is really easy and really cheap as you can see. Oh my gosh. So well, the point is that this little box is like that. You know, you have to put something inside, obviously, but the purpose in my case for my style didn't help. I mean, they are really cute, they are really nice, but for my style I think that I'm just gonna take it just in case, who knows. Well, after that I usually put in the base of the table, like in the middle, one of my posters, the little one, which is so beautiful. As you know, you can find me like Evi's Crochet on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. You can follow me there. And this is a poster, so beautiful, of my logo, and there's a big one. So I just want to share with the people my logo and my name so they can find me in Instagram, TikTok and Facebook as Evi's Crochet. I love it! After that, I usually put ways to pay so that people can know that they can pay in cash or in card, and this will be a QR of some app that actually I'm having problems right now because I forgot my password. The last year I changed it, but I don't remember which one was my password. So well, yeah, it's tomorrow, so I don't know, I have to figure it out. And yeah, also my QR of my Instagram so they can follow me in an easier way. I bought this little bag for people who want to get something small like keychains or scrunchies or something like that. Oh, look at this. Who is here? Buddy. Meow. Here, buddy. Now let's start with my projects. I'm about to finish this beautiful little jumper that I'm making of hearts. It's so beautiful. I'm just gonna finish this and it will be ready for tomorrow, hopefully. So let's see. Little bag of tulips. Now let's go with some bucket hats that I've been doing since the last year and are my favorite, to be honest. So one of these is this wonderful with daisy, kind of daisy flower. It's really beautiful. The other one is this mix bucket hat, which actually is a big one as this one, because my purpose was to make it as big as possible so it can be like for summer or not too tight. But some headbands of this one, like the mesh headbands, like the mesh headbands that I really love. These ones are another type of headbands, but as you can see, the yarn is different, it's more softy, and especially for winter. I love it. Then these one are my favorite. I remember when this product came up, everyone was like, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's just that you have to see how beautiful are the tulips in red, in white, in pink. It's so beautiful for especially my style, which is really nice. I had an order on Etsy. As I told you, you can find these kind of products in my Etsy shop in the UK. So the last order that I had of this banana was in pink. That, let me see if I can share with you the picture of this bandana in pink, which was really beautiful. Now let's continue with some of these beautiful bubble bags that I really love it. I saw a lot of these bags on Pinterest and I was like, why not? Maybe let's try. So it's really beautiful. I really love the color combo of this. I haven't mixed any yarn in this kind of mini bag. Actually, the yarn was this color, you know, so the work was way easier. So it's really nice, as you can see here. Also, I love it. This one is one of my favorites. I really love it. And also in this one. Then I'm gonna put a few custers, a few daisy custers in the same yarn. As you can see, I have mixed any yarn. The yarn actually was like that, this color. So beautiful. I'm gonna mix a few of these and a few of these, a couple of these ones, and also I recently made in this color, which is beautiful. I just love it. It's really beautiful. These are products that I already showed you in my last video. There are some cover book is the in different shapes, like in a star or in a beautiful heart too, or in a circle one. Just need to fix this and it will be a circle. Beautiful bag that I actually like it, and I already showed you the piggy, the capybara, the teddy bear, Winnie the Pooh, and a beautiful froggy. We are gonna continue with some cover books like these ones and this one too. One of my best sellers of the last year. So let's see how it goes in this one. Are really beautiful sunflowers. I really love them. I'm pretty sure that this will sell out so fast. So let's see if I'm right in the next video. I'm gonna take a risk and I'm gonna sell 3 pieces of clothes in crochet. Which one is one of these mesh crop that I really love it. But as I said, I would like to take a risk and let's see, because as you know, when we talk about pieces of clothes in crochet, made of crochet, are a bit difficult to sell on style because the people have to try. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a risk and let's see if someone get it or fit in someone, which is the most important part. And this one is another scarf that I made the last year also. That is more for winter and I really love it. It's really beautiful. It's really beautiful. So at the moment, these are my pieces. Another little bag in this beautiful hair. Another type of bag, but with macrame. So I'm gonna see you at the end of this video with these products. I'm gonna share videos of that when I'm doing the style. Wish me luck, because I'm really excited. I can't wait. I really can't wait. So see you later. So sadly the style was cancelled today because the weather is awful. And well, happily they text me yesterday in the night saying that it was cancelled because the weather will be awful for tomorrow, something that actually we expect, because yesterday was awful, and I'm gonna show you a video about that. And well, yeah, I think that all the things happen for some reason. So let's see the next week, because we got another. So I'm just gonna show you a bit of the weather right now so you can tell that it's really awful.
They're probably in the garage.